Texan Global School. Multiplication. 4 times table. In this class, the multiplication of whole numbers is analyzed, specifically multiplying by 4. Remember that multiplication is repeated addition. This means that multiplying implies adding one of them the number of times of the other. Any number multiplied by 4 results in the same number quadrupled. Let's see a first example. If we multiply 4 by 1, this means that we add 4 only once, or we add 1 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 1 is 4. The model represents 4 squares in 4 rows by a column, so we have 4 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 1 is 4. If we now multiply 4 by 2, this means that we add 4 2 times, or we add 2 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 2 is 8. The model represents 4 rows by 2 columns, thus having 8 squares or 8 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 2 is 8. Now, multiply 4 by 3. We add 4 3 times, or we add 3 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 3 is 12. The model represents 4 rows by 3 columns, so we have 12 ones. Thus, we conclude that 4 times 3 is 12. Now, multiply 4 by 4. So, add 4 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 4 is 16. The model represents 4 rows by 4 columns, so we have 16 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 4 is 16. Now reviewing the multiplication of 4 by 5. We add 4 5 times, or we add 5 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 5 is 20. The model represents 4 rows by 5 columns, so we have 20 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 5 is 20.
Now, multiply 4 by 6. So, we add 4 6 times, or we add 6 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 6 is 24. The model represents 4 rows by 6 columns, so we have 24 ones. Thus, we conclude that 4 times 6 is 24. Now, multiply 4 by 7. We add 4 7 times, or we add 7 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 7 is 28. The model represents 4 rows by 7 columns, so we have 28 ones. Hence, we can conclude that 4 times 7 is 28. Now, reviewing the multiplication of 4 by 8. We add 4 8 times, or we add 8 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 8 is 32. The model represents 4 rows by 8 columns, so we have 32 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 8 is 32. Now, multiply 4 by 9. So, we add 4 9 times, or we add 9 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 9 is 36. The model represents 4 rows by 9 columns, so we have 36 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 9 is 36. Finally, multiply 4 by 10. We add 4 10 times, or we add 10 4 times. Therefore, 4 times 10 is 40. The model represents 4 rows by 10 columns, so we have 40 ones. Hence, we conclude that 4 times 10 is 40. In summary, any number multiplied by 4 results in the same value quadrupled. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40.
Texan Global School. Global online learning. Knowledge for the world. www.texanglobalschool.com